Hi, I'm Dave Kutz. I'm Vice President of Operations here at Misco Products.
Hi, I'm Nick Lewandowski. I'm the Director of Marketing here at Misco Products.
Misco Products was founded in 1962 by Richard Gable. He figured out the number of square feet of vinyl tile that were going to be installed in U.S. military barracks across the country. He realized that there was going to be a need for the floor coating to coat that tile and protect it. He bought the assets of Miller Soap Company right here in Reading, Pennsylvania, and today we have over 380 different brands that we manage for our distributors. We have over 1,600 different formulations and over 100 different package sizes, styles, and shapes that we do for our customers. And Misco manufactures over 14,000 different SKUs in our facility. And today we still make private brand liquid cleaning chemicals and floor finishes for all of our distributors.
One of the things that Misco always tries to do is we try to make ourselves better than the competition. So our business is based on our ability to serve our customers and help them with their branding.
The most important thing to us is our customers, and we believe we're a yes company. If you can think about it, we'll find a way to get it done.
And we continue to grow today to be the leader in private branding in the cleaning chemical industry.
We have visited with the folks in Domino twice over the past 2 years, and we had samples printed both times, 18 months apart. When we brought those samples back and compared them side by side, the colors were an identical match. The consistency was an identical match. The ink is so tough and so durable. We actually did chemical testing with all of our chemicals here at Misco, and we found that it stood up to everything, even an ink remover that we use in the commercial printing industry. It's amazing.
Lo and behold, we go to Label Expo, we meet the people at Domino, and here we are. We got so excited about it, we said, hey, let's print up a promo label and send it out to our top 100 customers and let them know the reason that we're investing our dollars in this new press. We've received multiple emails back from those customers saying, wow, it looks amazing.
Our operators, in the first few weeks that we were operating it, would be coming in with labels saying, I don't think this is right.
Right.
I think the words were, the color's too poppin'. You know, for me, I think the aha moment was when I had the opportunity to go and visit with another Domino customer and see them running and operating their press. They demonstrated for me that there were no spare parts to a Domino. You're buying ink and that's it. We figured out we could pay for the press in less than 2.5 years. I mean, what a return on investment.
We were able to go from 2 Zycon presses down to 1 Domino. I had concerns that we weren't going to be able to meet our customers' demands in our 4-day lead time. There was no issues. Within a week, the press was up and running, and we were able to get product out the door at the same speed and sometimes even faster than we were with the previous presses.
So it's almost an unfair advantage for Domino. The fact that you can run 1 Domino just based on the speed alone.
So the Domino N610 is a phenomenal press. If I had to do over again, I'd buy another one in a heartbeat. The service, the team, the reliability, the installation, everything just went so well. I couldn't imagine how it could have gone any better. Again, I would do it in a heartbeat.
Dave's perspective is all operations, so I'm looking at it from a marketing side and I'm saying, my gosh, I have this great press. I have vibrant colors, I'm consistent. I couldn't ask for a better press right now for where we're at with our business.
On behalf of everyone here at Misco Products, we want to thank Domino. Looking forward to using this press for many years to come.
Thanks, Domino.
As the VP of Operations at Misco, thanks, Domino.
As a Director of Marketing for Misco, thanks, Domino.